Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So this operation will be useful if you wish to download something which is not in the app gallery. So for example from the browser. To do that we have to open the settings. Then let's scroll and go to security. Scroll down and go to more settings. And here tap on install apps from external sources. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course we can change it. So for example, as I said, let's pretend I'd like to download something from a website. So I have to find my browser. Let me tap on the browser and then tap on the switcher next to allow app installs. Your device, here we've got the information that you have to check the apps from external sources, so just tap on enable, and after getting back you can see that the browser is allowed to install some content. Of course be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, and you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the browser is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.